on, fam? Good morning to you. Happy Friday to everybody. Payday, not but what's going on? I got a little challenge. I was delaying this video because I had got my wisdom tooth, and then I got this fucking pimple, bro. I was like, fuck. Nah, but we finna do that Buldak challenge. So yeah, but we finna hit blinkers and shit, you know. Yo, alright people, you know, I'm wide awake now, you know. The daily routine is finally freaking done, you know. Let's smack this Benjamin for y'all. Well, I got a couple to smack for y'all. Oh. So, my brothers already tried it. My friend already tried it as well. I mean, well, not with me, but like, they, you know, told me that it's spicy as hell. So, yeah. I'm gonna show y'all me cooking the soup. me. Whew, now that I recovered from that, let's get into the soup, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna meet y'all in the kitchen. Yeah. Alright fam, I made it to the kitchen, but I just realized I only got water in the fucking fridge. Yeah, that's the problem, so we finna take a little trip to the fucking corner store. You know, I made a really big mistake wearing a black jacket on a really sunny fucking day. But hey, let me explain what I'm gonna do. It's nothing big. I'm gonna just set a timer on the bottom left corner, see how long I can last, if I can fucking actually do it. It's my first time trying it, so I don't know. I mean, my brother did it the first time. He said he couldn't even finish it, so that's why I'm just gonna do the challenge of, you know, however long I can do it. But yeah, I'm almost at the corner store, and it's hot. So yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm there. I have to pay on my Apple Pay, so I won't be able to show me paying, but yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm outside. So we made it outside, so now I'll catch y'all when I'm back at my spot, or I don't know. Yeah, it's freaking hot, guys. Oh my god, I don't know if I should have. I'm not sure if I'm tripping. I should have probably got 2 drinks, but I got waters at the crib, and I like water. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all right now in a little bit. All right, y'all, we made it back into the kitchen, and I'm gonna wash my hands really quick. So yeah. All right, guys, let's do this. I have to turn this bitch on. No bullshit. Little 2 thing, but it's whatever. When it heats up, I'm gonna put water in there, and I'm gonna dump that in there. So yeah. All right, man. Low key, while that heats up, I'm gonna open this up. See what's in here. Okay. See what it is. So this one here. So it's literally just ramen. Bruh. And then where's the, oh, it's right here. That's what we're gonna do today, shit. You see the blinker, yeah? My mama kept these chopsticks from Panda Express, so yeah. Well, not kept, but well, yeah, you know, she ain't use them, so yeah, we finna use these bitches, guys. She is gone. I ain't gonna lie, it's gone. Are we supposed to put that in there? I'm gonna low-key read the instructions real quick. I'm kind of like living in the rock. I'm behind this shit, no cap. All right, well, now I know what to do. It's after, so you just heat it up and shit, so yeah. Put it right there before that be. See, now that that's done, I'm finna just put this bit in here, ain't gonna lie. Yeah, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm finna let this cool down, cause look at how steaming hot it is, obviously. I mean, it's literally steaming. And then I'm finna mix it now, no cap, I ain't gonna lie. So, I'm gonna take the chopstick out first. Yes, I know how to use chopsticks. I think I'm using them right. Oh, that's like this. Alright, yeah. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put the obviously leader seeds, yeah, or leader flakes or whatever, yeah. Okay, so yeah, obviously. We're gonna open up with the sauce first. Damn, I'm gonna just put the whole thing. Damn, that smells strong. What the hell? That don't even smell flavorful, bro. What? That don't smell good. Smack this real quick. Yep. Alright, well, let's mix this. Hold on. Mix this a little bit. Let's see. I'm probably tripping for this shit, I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know if I don't know if these make it spicier, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the table, so yeah. A little bit of one and I'm full of the other, so. I low-key decided to stay in the fucking kitchen, cause why not? I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. But yeah, let's do this and let's see if I just tap out. If I tap out, it's whatever, I ain't gonna lie. Alright. Low-key, y'all have the first bite. Look at it. Y'all gonna have that bite right there. In reality, I fucking am. Cheers. I ain't gonna lie, that hoe got a kick to it, bro. Ooh. Ooh, that hoe got a kick to it, bro. Ooh. I had to keep going. The timer's right there, down there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna stop that shit. Fuck that. I'm gonna try to go as long as I can without taking a sip. And it's only one fucking little bag. But it's really good. Not no 10 out of 10, but it's good. Whew. It's getting kind of hot in here, bro. Low-key, I don't know why I have a timer down there. Or if it's like when I'm gonna tap out. What minute I'm gonna tap out. If I tap out. Or when I'm gonna finish this, yeah. I guess that's it. That hoe good. I ain't gonna lie. But that hoe fucking spicy, bro. But okay, yeah. It's spicy the first bites, but as you keep going, it's like drugs. It's like you get used to it and you need more on some shit.
Bruh.
But then, ooh, my lips. Ooh, hold on. Nah, come on, come on. I started eating on my wisdom tooth side, bro. I'm tripping. Okay. I take a drink. A water. You know, I'm kind of thinking here. Shit, fuck that timer. Oh, bro. Bro, what the fuck? I didn't think it would be that spicy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm done with that shit. I'm done with this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. You don't mind how I teleported to, like, my room. But, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I tap out on that shit. That hoe too fucking spicy. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Fuck that shit. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. I ain't gonna lie. It was probably short. But, of course, I'm finna rip every single one of these fucking dispos for y'all. Of course. Of course. I ain't gonna lie. I be noticing in my fucking videos, bro, that my hairline looks fucked up, bro. And it's like that in person too, of course, But nah, it's because I need a haircut. I'm gonna get one Wednesday, of course, the week of before school, before my school starts, which starts next week on Thursday. Fuck, I do not want to go. But yeah, of course, we finna. I keep y'all in mind. I'm not gonna show that, you know, this in school. But of course, I'm gonna see me freaking smacking this smack stomping.
Boy, if you don't get,
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, of course, let's get to it, and we're gonna rip this for y'all. I have the holidays coming up, you know. I have a couple plans. Hopefully, they all go as planned, you know. But yeah, let's smack them. That's the first one right there. from one restroom we're into the other. Back into the restroom. Oh my god. Alright. That's the final blinker, guys. And then I'm gonna have to go. I ain't gonna lie, cause fuck that shit. I'm fucking fried already. Y'all follow all my social media. Will be down in the description. The haters, the lovers, the whatevers. And yeah, you know, just I hope y'all can stay tuned, you know. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, follow on my social media, please. Like I said, you know, y'all stay tuned for more videos. You know, y'all like smoke sessions, y'all like anything, you know, shit. And I got an addiction with fucking scary shit. I don't know. Don't take it like a weird thing. Or you know, if you do, fuck it, I don't care. Think whatever. But yeah, you know, so you know. I want to do a lot of shit for Halloween. I want to, you know, I really do. Nothing too crazy, you know. But after graduation, that's when shit gonna pop off. I ain't gonna lie, that's when. But yeah, you know, there's a whole bunch of things that's gonna happen. But with this channel, if it doesn't get fucking deleted. Bruh. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video, you know, and enjoy it. Yeah. One more smacks. All right, one more smacks for y'all. Ah, hell no. Fuck it. It wasn't milky, but whatever. I hope you have a good Friday. Peace, family.